So it's the Monday after Thanksgiving, and that means it's Cyber Monday, one of the biggest shopping days of the year, particularly for people who enjoy shopping online. And I've got a big question for you on this Cyber Monday. Are you going to be spending money or are you going to be making money? See, this year's sales on Cyber Monday are expected to set a record with a whopping $7.8 billion going from shoppers' wallets into retailers' bank accounts. And look, I get it. There might be a few items that you've had your eye on for a while that now have a discount, and so it probably makes sense to go ahead and pull the trigger. But the larger point here is that with so many people eager to pull out their credit card today, why aren't you taking advantage of this? Look, I need you to start thinking less like an employee and a consumer and more like a creator and an entrepreneur. Because until there's a coordinated day where companies decide to give $7.8 billion in bonuses to their employees, the business owners will always be the winners on days like today and beyond. But the good news is there's absolutely no one out there that can stop you from creating your own online business. Just a few short years ago, online retail site Jet.com didn't even exist. But in 2014, 3 entrepreneurs started the company, scaled it quickly, and then sold it to Walmart in 2016 for $3.3 billion. Not bad for a few short years of work. So today, I want you to change your thinking from the deals you can get on Cyber Monday to the products you can sell. Because getting a deal on a TV might change your current situation, but getting your piece of the billions of dollars that are spent on Cyber Monday can truly change your life.